Alright, it's going to be done any minute now, and I just want to observe what the default behavior is for when it's done printing. So it's at 99%, almost 3 hours. Let's see what happens. Man, that last percent took a while. Okay, so it rose up. Now it's homing. Printing done, took 3 hours. And there it is. If I hit OK. And let's see. I can't do print or resume. Looks like the bed and the extruder are cooling on their own, so that's good. They had some G-code in there that would cool everything down. Now, one interesting thing I have yet to figure out is these ZN stops. It seems like they are homed when it just gets illuminated, but they can go lower. Like it was lower than it is now throughout the entirety of the print. So maybe I'm not doing it quite right. I'm not entirely sure. Anyway, I'm gonna clean off that, and before the, well, it's already probably too little, but I just wheeled the thing back a little bit. Didn't really get any resistance, so I think it was still warm enough for me to do that, so it doesn't dribble everywhere as I move everything. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to let this cool down all the way, and then I want to see how well it pops off that glass when it's cooled down. So gonna give that some time. Right now it's at 55, 54. It keeps fluctuating between that, and it'll eventually cool down. So I'm gonna leave it here for maybe 10 minutes. We'll see what happens. It'll be pretty cool. And then I'll start the automatic bed level. So fun.